How's it going, everybody? I'm John McMillan with MarineMax Norwalk, and today I have the pleasure of walking you through a 2026 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. Now, starting here at the stern of this beautiful Sea Ray, you have your 150 horsepower Mercury motor, getting this 21 footer on plane quick with a great top speed. You really can tell there is plenty of room on this transit when you're entering the boat with the great floor padding that Sea Ray always does a terrific job of. Beautiful sea liner stepping up, convenient grab handle right here, pulling yourself into the boat. Kids are done tubing, they're swimming around in the water, easy access into the Sea Ray. Now we are on the stern of this 21-foot Sea Ray, a beautiful sea pad facing out at the water, watching the kids tube, have a good time. It's a great view and a great place to catch some sun. Now right underneath here, speaking of tubing, you do have your ski pole adapter right there. Very convenient, right behind the motor. Cause for a good day. Now as we work our way into the cockpit, there is ample storage all over this 21-foot Sea Ray as you're walking in. Storage there, some more storage here. And now to the beautiful seating area, getting the family and friends all close talking on this boat. Great day out on the water. More storage under here. These are all foam insulated coolers as well, with a little drain in the gully. Keeping your drinks nice and cold, using it for fender storage, you name it. More storage under here as well. And that is definitely not it for the storage on this Sea Ray. You have a massive storage space here. I mean, it's pretty endless. You could put anything you want in there with easy battery access to the right of this big storage pit. Now to my left, you have a little bench seat with two cup holders right next to one of the speakers in this 21-foot Sea Ray. I mean, it really is built for lounging around, having a great time with family, friends. This seat as well right now is facing towards the party, but if you do want to face towards the bow of the boat, you just lift the seat up and adjust. Now you just created a co-pilot seat right here. Now as you move your way up to the captain's seat, you yet have more storage here. That is actually your ski pole attachment I mentioned that goes to the stern of the boat. Storage for your cover, your fenders, you name it. This Sea Ray does not lack any of storage. Now getting to the captain's seat, very comfortable, and it's really hard to ignore the beautiful upholstery that Sea Ray always does a fantastic job with. Right here you have your Fusion radio. Beautiful Simrad display front and center. Right here you have a charging port as well, a convenient cup holder to my right, your toggle switches right underneath, your on off here, and your throttle right next to me with your kill switch. Now on this boat, when you take it out on a beautiful day and you drop anchor and you're just hanging out, this captain's chair does swivel. You can join the party. It also has an adjustable bolster to go along with it. Now making our way up to the bow, you have more storage right here. In that cabinet, you have beautiful seating up here. You can move the party up to the bow, comfortably riding, cup holders on both sides, conveniently placed. Again, beautiful upholstery. You got the speakers up here. I mean, you really are the life of the party when you're sitting on this bow. Storage under these three pads and your anchor right up here on the bow. Okay, everybody, that is it for your 2026 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. I hope you learned a lot today. That certainly wasn't everything. This video would be a little too long if I mentioned everything, but I do hope you learned a lot. Once again, my name is John McMillan. Please feel free to call this number below if you are interested in this boat. And like always, my friends, have a good day.